Hi, welcome. Today, I would like to share this topic with you, which is things we should do to prepare ourselves for the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. The World Health Organization has announced the coronavirus a pandemic. And the number of cases keeps on rising around the world. Here are 8 basic lists you should do to prepare for the pandemic. Before we review that, please hit subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, please give us a thumb up. Thank you. List number 1. Stock up on groceries and medicine. You should buy up to a minimum 2-week supply of everything you normally use in the house. Also buy canned and dehydrated food, which have a shelf life of up to 5 years. Number 2. Stock up on disinfectant. Forget the wipes, and get some bleach instead. Bleach is good for disinfecting anything. Hand sanitizer also is a good idea. Use it whenever you touch common objects or come in contact with another person. Number 3. Medication. At least a 1-month supply of over-the-counter medicines, such as pain relievers, stomach remedies, cough-cold medicines and first aid kits. For the person who is on prescription medications, should call ahead for an extra month or 2 of medicine just in case. Multivitamin is also a good idea to stock up. Number 4. Essential tools. Hammer, screwdriver set, wrench, multi-tool. Crowbar are good to have, just in case that something needs to be fixed. Number 5. Bug out bag. Stock your own based on your personal needs and health requirements. However, it should include emergency radio, flashlight, spare batteries, waterproof matches, and a flint and steel. Number 6. Boredom busters. Boredom can make your life miserable. Books, old school board games. Cards or whatever you enjoy that will kill time. Number 7. Your pets. Don't forget about your pets. Pick up extra animal supplies. Wee absorbent pads can come in handy as well if you can't get out to walk your dog. Number 8. Stock up on toiletries and cleaning supplies. Toothpaste, floss, face wash, moisturizer, shampoo, conditioner, razors, shaving cream, hand sanitizer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell, and give us a like.